Welcome to my channel. This is Artesia with my unique braids, and I'm giving you the, I guess, V part with UNice. I will say this hair is super soft. This hair is, you know, quite wonderful on the eye. I didn't even, usually girls, I always wet it because I always want that wet look, but with this I was like, you know what, this don't even need, all you need is little finger detangle and here and there, and it's like I didn't even have to do nothing. I didn't even wet it. This is just straight out the box. Okay, and let's talk about this parting, you guys. So the cons and the pros for me. So the pros is that, yeah, you can make it look so natural and just kind of place it right there. The cons that I have to say is, does it look fully natural to me? No, it does not look fully natural, but I will say you can make it really look natural, more natural, by taking the hair out and putting it out. If you have it braided, so that way the more close to the part it is, the more it will look more, I guess you could say, real in a sense, instead of looking kind of like what's going on. So I will say that it needs to be a little bit more advanced. You to just leave your hair out if you don't want people to be like, girl, you got a track hanging like right there, what's going on. So if it was like more kinkier to my texture hair, I think it would be a little bit better, which I will be doing a video actually on kinky, afro kinky curly hair by I Like Hair pretty soon. So I will give you the difference between this type of hair curls versus that hair curl, because I know that hair curl is a little bit more tighter closer to my hair. So I can't wait to show you guys that. But for now, this is kind of what it looks like. Shipping only took, I kid you not, like 3 days, 4 days. Like I think they just, because they have a warehouse out here in the United States, that they kind of was like, whoop, you know, and then it was super quick, like via FedEx, I think, oh no, via DHL. So yeah, you guys, so I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys kind of like see the difference, the pros and the cons. This is an 18-inch. So the 18-inch falls right here. So when wet, it's probably like right here. You know, this is what you guys get. So thank you for watching. Bye.
It's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.